Gates Auto Repair. You read the description right. Will this Buick's AC ever work again? When you hit the AC button on this Buick, the light flashes 3 times, but the AC does not come on. You can see I have 60 degrees set on one side, 66 on the other. That light should be coming on, and the compressor should be running. It is not. Now, when I switch the temperature, it sounds like it's changing. Everything's changing, except for the fact that that light does not come on, which does not trigger the compressor on. Be sure to stay tuned and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. So just a rundown on what may cause this light to blink 3 times. Obviously, we can get the AC working again, but we have to fix whatever issue is causing this light to flash instead of stay on and turn on the compressor. So one of the main things that can cause this is a Freon leak. We would simply fill up the AC system with dye and Freon and look for a leak. That would likely make this light stay on and turn the compressor on until it ran low again on Freon. Another cause would be the compressor being bad or any type of electrical components for the AC system. You know, bad fuse, bad relay, if there's a relay, anything like that. So let's jump into trying to find the cause of why this light's flashing and not staying on for us. All right, so this is going to be very difficult to see. But if you come on the passenger side and you look down here, I don't think I'm going to be able to get it on the camera. Let's see. There is our AC compressor. Jeez. So it's back in here. And you will be able to see if it's turning on. The outer portion of that pulley would be spinning. That's the magnetic clutch. Right now it is not spinning, so we're going to hook up some AC system gauges and figure out kind of if this thing's low in Freon and if that's why this is not working. So we're going to get our AC machine, hook up here, find the other side and hook up there, and then we will get back to show you what we find. All right, so we have our machine hooked up in true GM fashion. Of course, they buried this one down here next to the oil filter. You actually have to take the filter out to get that on or bend the line. So, you know, they make that nearly impossible to do without taking the filter off, which is crazy. Anyway, we're going to open these up, see what our pressures are at. You can see right now we're at 0 on both. It sounds like nothing came out of that one. Nothing came out of that one. So we are pegged at 0. That's going to be why our AC didn't work. So now we're going to suck down a vacuum on it, see if it holds vacuum. So I'll do 10-minute vacuum just to see, and then a leak test. We'll let this go down to -30. Hopefully it'll be pegged at the bottom if there's not a huge leak. And then we will see if it rises back up and loses the vacuum that we pull on. So it's on the leak test right now. You can see our red line at the bottom is not moving up. That's a good sign that there is no big leak right now. So we're gonna let this finish and probably put some oil in it with dye and run it for a little bit, see if the AC comes on. Look for dye. If we can't find dye, we're going to ship it to the customer, let them drive it for a few days and bring it back, and then look for dye again. Pass the leak test. We're going to charge this up to see if she runs. 2.3 pounds. Start charging it up. And this is what we want to see. These guys are moving up. Here's our dye mixed oil that we put in it. I think this is PAG 100 with some dye in it. And this is kind of where you want to see it with a full system. Right between 80 and 100 on both sides with the car off. Alright guys, so good news is we now have a solid light. The compressor's coming on. The bad news is we do have a leak, so I'm going to have to suck down the system and fix the leak. It is in our high pressure hose. Back down we go. See, it's actually leaking through out of our hose right down here. Can actually hear it too. We don't even need the glasses because you can see the dye right there. That's where our leak is, right out of that hose there. Alright guys, so there's our AC compressor. If you can see, it's turning on and off now. Alright guys, so our light is solid, our AC is ice cold. As you see, this Buick's AC does run again. If you enjoyed this video, and if this video helped you guys out, please hit the like button, hit the comment button, and hit the subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching.